Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to block adult channels on Telegram. Let's get started. So if you head over right here to your Telegram, you can head over to your chat settings, your privacy and security, but there's actually no way in order to block adult channels on the app itself. So what we can do in that case? So in that case, let's head over to any browser that you have. For me, I have my Google Chrome right here, but you can use any browser. And then you can head over to web.telegram.org, and I have in here my settings. So on the settings right here, you can click on this privacy and security right here. And you can scroll down to the very bottom, and in here you can see this disable filtering. So what you can do in this case is to make sure to head over and then uncheck this. And that way, the sensitive media, which are the adult channels, won't be able to be displayed on our Telegram right here. Once you have done that, you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!